very spacious. There's a lot of storage within, so especially given this economy, I'd definitely be down to live in a space like this. It's very nice.
I think it's awesome technology. I mean, whether it's now or in the next couple of years, I definitely see myself having it, behind my house or be in the house. I think that'd be pretty cool.
Yeah, I think it's great. I'm particularly interested in the fact that you can do interesting different shapes with 3D printing, and I'm also interested in the sustainability of this particular 3D printed home. So I would definitely be interested in living in one.
Yes, we were just talking about it, that little place in the mountains and with family, and you can each have your own little compartment of, retreat to your own little place, and instead of just everybody sharing one place.
Yeah, I would love to live in a 3D printed home. I feel like it's really quiet in here, and it's definitely, for it being 100 degrees out today, it's definitely holding in the cool air.
We've got to kind of rethink the way we live, just the way pricing and housing is going so crazy. This seems like a great way to maybe counteract or kind of still have some privacy but still have that family unit. So yeah, it'd be pretty cool.